Hi everybody! In our last video we had some animals at the animal hospital because they weren't feeling very well. I took my animal hat off, my animal carer hat off for a little while. Still got my stethoscope on that we made earlier. I've also got some extra medicine bottles. You don't have to just use bottles with lids on, although they're really good for helping build those muscles up. You could use cups, which I've done here. I've got myself a dice. I've got myself how many bottles and cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've also got myself 6 spoons. I've got myself a white sticky label and I've written some numbers. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under each number there's a letter, and the letters match the medicine bottles. G, L, M, B, R, D. Now we've got 2 extra animals in our waiting room that are waiting to see us. I wonder if you can work out what letters are different, what have been added to this sheet compared to last time. I'm going to just take my stethoscope off for a moment. I'm going to cut up my white sticky labels very carefully, and I'm going to stick a sticky label onto a spoon. Each spoon is going to have a number and a letter on it. Okay, now all of my spoons have got a number and a letter. So we're going to extend this activity into a number work activity. So it's combining numbers, number work and phonics. Okay, I'm going to just use my clipboard because I'm going to call the patient who's coming in next. Hello, yes, the next patient. Oh, hold on a minute, animals, we're going to check. So, first of all, to check which patient we're going to work with, take your dice, drop your dice, see how many spots you get. Can you see how many spots I've got and count them with me? 1, 2, 3. 3. Now, which spoon has got number 3? What spoon can you see that has got number 3? Is it the spoon at the top or the spoon at the bottom? What do you think? That's right, it's not the bottom one, that's a number 5. It's definitely the one that was at the top. It's got number 3 and it's got the letter sound mm. So, I'm going to have a look in my waiting room and see which animal begins with a mm. Oh, does bear begin with a mm? Mm. Bear. Bear. Does he begin with a mm? No, because he'd be a mare, and he's not a mare, he's a bear. What about, which animal can you see here that begins with the Is it lion or mouse? That's right, it's for mouse. So, mouse, come into the animal hospital. Are you not feeling very well? Nope, she's not feeling very well, Minnie Mouse. Okay, Minnie Mouse, I'm just going to take my stethoscope and I'm going to just check you over with my stethoscope. Hold on. Just going to check your eyes as well, check your heart beating. Oh, do you know, actually, I can hear you're very chesty. I think you might have a chest infection. Now, that means you're going to need some medicine. Now, let's just lay down here for a moment, little mouse. That's a good little mouse. Well done. Now, I know that Minnie Mouse begins with a and I know that we had 3 spots, didn't we? Which meant we needed the spoon with a 3. Is under 3. So I now need to find the correct medicine for Minnie Mouse? Is it this one? G, g. No, that's not the same. It's not What about this one? Is this a No, it's a r. Is that the No, that's the l. Is that the No, that's the b. What about this one? Yeah, that's the same letter. It's got number 3 on it. That means Minnie Mouse must have 3 spoonfuls of medicine. 3 bits of medicine. No more and no less. Whoa. Let's see if we can get one at a time. 1 medicine. There we go. Let's see if we've got any more. 2. 3. Can't have too much. Let's just take our medicine back. Check there was 3. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Put the 3 medicine balls back in. 1, 2, 3. That's it. There we go, little mouse. You've had your medicine. It's time for you to just get a nice cosy mosy blanket and wrap you up nice and cosy mosy. Shh. You'll be better very soon of your nasty chest infection. Stay safe, okay? Lay down and have a rest. Okay, so that's your challenge. Roll the dice. See how many spots it lands on. If it lands on a certain number of spots, 1, 2, you then need to find the correct spoon with number 2. That's it, that's number 2. That's got the L. Who begins with a L? Is it dog or lion? Which one begins with a L? Yeah, that's right, it's lion. Now, lion's going to need some medicine. Let's get his spoon back. L for lion, and number 2, I need to find the medicine bottle that's got the L. There it is. I then pour this much medicine, 2 balls of medicine, feed them to my lion, and then give him a hug, help him feel better, maybe lay him down and tuck him in with a blanket. So there you go. Have lots of fun taking part in Animal Hospital. Goodbye.